propagates in nature. You know, intensity determines the distance at which the acceleration of the sound propagates. So we have amplitude, we have frequency, we have velocity, we have acceleration, and we have momentum. So what is the disparity? What is the correlation? What is the relationship? Look at your boy. Look at your boy. Your boy freaking glowing, boy. Yo! Frame of reference. What is the correlation? What is the relationship between amplitude and
well, in this
frequency?
frame of reference, it's a wave, and then in
What
this
causes amplitude?
frame of reference,
Look
it's
at
a
your boy freaking glowing, boy. Yo! Make sure I look in.